to the first, second, third floor. Welcome to my crib. I almost locked myself out because I almost shut the door and I was like, no keys, no keys. Yeah, it auto locks. I have it on auto lock. But anyway, that's besides the point. Welcome to my crib. I heard it's 2016 this year, so let's do this. This is my apartment in New York. Let's start with the kitchen, shall we? All right, hello, welcome back. This is wet. This is my kitchen. It is currently in the process of cooking something because I made some, I don't even know what to call this. It's like tomatoes, some bok choy, some kimchi noodles right here. Hot, very hot. Okay. The whole apartment is redone, so it's new on the inside, even though the building's kind of old. New fridge, new stove. It's fire stovetop, so it's really, really great. I don't like the electric ones. It doesn't get the same situation. I love the countertop. I was looking for a kitchen with space for me to actually cook because I really like cooking. This is just like a dream kitchen, honestly. I had a great kitchen in Seattle when I lived there. I had a kitchen island, so it was easy for me to go back and forth and stuff. But in Chicago, my kitchen was so small, I barely cooked. And I wanted to save money eating out in New York. And, you know, like steak is so expensive outside, but I can make a pretty damn good steak. So I decided to get a good kitchen so I can be happy and de-stress when cooking. I love the extension. It changes water mode as well, but great water pressure, fantastic water pressure. And this, you might have a question about what this is. This is the collapsible washer thing that I told you about. Basically, you plug this, I fill the water from here, and then I'll let it spin a few times. It actually cleans it really well because like all these kitchen towels, I just dump them in here and then I have a drying rack over there that it just dries. So I don't have to rely on the washer dryer outside. So yeah, this is great. It also collapses into a small thing that you can take for camping if you want, but I don't camp. And you drain the water through here. That's the kitchen, my situation. Let me take you to the living room. Ignore all the boxes, that's things I have to recycle and return. I got my work desk right there. I got my keyboard here. And I got this entertainment center from Amazon that I really, really like. Oh, I guess this is out of battery. But the lights, there are light strips under, so it syncs with like the candle and all that. So it's a very great vibe. From here, when I'm sitting on my couch, really like that a lot. We have another instrument in the corner, guitar and ukulele. That's pretty much it from this angle. And on the flip side, this is the view that you saw from my last video on breaking down New York City housing. My couch, first time owning a couch, by the way, because previously I didn't have one in Chicago, but I had a furnished apartment in Seattle, so first time buying a couch. Feels very much like an adult. Coasters, there's friends, there's my actual friends, my band, and me. And a coffee table situation. I got a massage chair over there and a projector because why not, and I can. So that's pretty much my living room. You can see it gets a lot of natural light. I'm trying not to show you the window because privacy reasons, obviously. But yeah, a lot of natural light, and I really like just lounging here, working, watching TV, whatever. Well, no TV because I obviously don't have one, but I watch on my projector at night because I don't watch TV during the day. Now, let's go to the bedroom. I also have another projector here because when I was testing it out, I forgot to return it. And so now I have both. This is the room, my bed, same bed as in Chicago, the full size. I have a lofted bed frame, so a ton of boxes under just for storage purposes because I need it a lot. And this is the futon that I had in Chicago when my friends would come. This is the couch that I had. So when my friends would come or my brother, I would basically lay this out into a twin size bed and they can sleep on the futon. It's very comfortable. We got one light because for some reason, apartments in the US don't have built-in lights. Oh, the outside does, which I'm very grateful for. But anyway, shit I never cleaned up after moving in because I just got lazy and I was like, I never use that corner anyway, so I just left it. Bathroom. We got the bathroom. Hello. Oh, this is what I love. I love how many mirrors and storage space there is. Like, hello. Sink. A lot of storage space down here as well. The rack came with the apartment. That also came with the apartment. Yeah, and closet. We got a ton of closet space, just a ton. And on the other side, we got more closet space. What are you talking about? Look, this, I can fully walk in and ta-da! I thought about making this like, oh, I could record things in here, like a podcast, because if I close it, well, you can't see me, but can you hear me? Also, there's a light overhead as well, but it insulates the sound so much. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the room. I think that's my apartment. Dude, the sunlight. Ah, I'm blinded by the lights. It's the weekend. Oh my God. What? So yeah, this is the apartment. Happy Saturday. I'm gonna go out for a run later and we're gonna go watch a movie tonight called Is This Thing On? I'm very excited for it. But yeah, welcome to my house. This is my home for the next year or so. I don't know if I'm gonna stay, if I'm gonna move. We wanted a good space for the first year. Was it a smart choice? Perhaps not, but I don't regret it. I really like the space a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.